Hi everybody, I'm Michael Marino. I'm an audio engineer producer and in the process of receiving my music degree at Cal State San Marcos. If you are a Logic user like me and have always wanted to know how to sample, specifically for hip-hop music, you have come to the right place. I will teach you the basic fundamental ways and advanced ways to create a sampled song from scratch. This class first starts out with me explaining and exploring Logic's fantastic sampler, the ESX24. Then I'll get into the process of sampling. This will include how to find the tempo of your choice of song, chopping up your music to import into Logic, changing and manipulating your samples to get the sound that you want, then crafting melodies out of your music. I will get into downloading drum samples as well from various free websites. And this will allow you to create your own custom drum kits. And throughout this class, I will teach you the best ways to mix your drums and music. Lastly, I'll go over how to master and finalize your project. Each lesson is thorough and great for beginners and intermediates who want to learn the professional way of sampling hip-hop music. The reason why I created this course was to teach people these techniques and to also get feedback so that we can all learn together. I read my inbox every day, so if there are any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and good luck.